Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kimberly. So today I'm gonna be doing a hair tutorial. It's been a long time I haven't done one, but I've been like obsessed over a hair tutorial that I saw in other YouTube channel. It's called the bubble braid mohawk or something like that. And it's super easy, super cute. I did it yesterday and I love how it looks, so I want to share it to you guys. So the first thing is, the products that I'm going to be using are it's a water, the AUSSIE hairspray, a little teasing comb, and I have here rubber bands, like Hairstyle rubber bands that I got at Dollar Tree for like, they have like 500 in there, so really good in use. And I need a little small bobby pin. Okay, so the first thing is I'm going to make a little poof, a little poof. I love my little poofs. Now this is optional if you want to do this, but I love my little poof. If you have bangs, then you know, much cuter with bangs. But this is my little poof. You just put it on poof. If you want it, you can just tease it and make it nice and nice, but I'm not going to do that. So this is here. Now what I'm going to do is grab section here, like this, like that, and you can make it nice and cute. And you're going to grab a small little hair tie, and you're gonna tie it. Oh, nice. It broke. Oh my god, I gotta be careful with these. Oh. Okay, we're gonna tie it like this, nice and tight, like that. So you're gonna have something like this. And you're going to grab the other section and you're going to grab the one that you did right now. You're going to put it like this. Going to grab some more. And you're going to start bobby pin it. But not too high where you made the other one, because you want to be able to do like a bubble. Like that. And you're going to grab some more. You're gonna have this left. Gonna grab some more. Yeah. Tie it. And pull it down a little bit. Let me grab more. And then you're gonna grab the last one. And you're just gonna grab all of them, and you're going to make, grab the very last one like that. So you're simply going to have something like this. And now I'm just gonna start. I hope you guys can see. Let me turn around so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm just going to start making my hair like a bubble. You guys can see that? I hope you guys can see that. Like this. And then the other one, start pulling up a little bit. And then this one as well. And this one's a big one, but I'm going to leave it like that because just pull it a little bit like that. And that's how it looks on the back. So that's how it looks. And you can spray it so you can tame all the flyaways. There you go. And I have my little one right there. You can poof it up more. And that's it. That is how you create a little like a bubble braid mohawk, something like this. And I like how it looks, but it will look even better if I have longer hair because it looks awesome. But you can do it as short as well. So yeah, hope you guys like this little do. It's like a braid, but instead a bubble. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. It was super easy. I've seen other styles of bubble braids, and they're so cute. And I hope you guys like this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more. And I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.